Hi and welcome on Flyfish Fly Tying. So first of all, I would like to thank all new subscribers on this channel. Great, thanks. Have a good time watching my videos. Thanks. Okay, and then I will show you how to tie this wonderful fly. So I use a Partridge Klinkhamer hook in size 12 here. You also can use a size 14, whatever. And I use as a tying thread, I use this Veevus E12 0. Yeah, you see me doing the hook like this because it's easier than to do. And then I do my ground winding with this 10 colored wonderful Veevus thread. I could have done them a little better here, so that's why I really went and will buy some glasses tomorrow. So then use this long brown grizzly hackle and remove the hackles from the stem by pulling it on both sides, because you want to build the tail, or probably the body of the fly with it. Okay, tie it in. And once it's tied in, you can start tying the body with the hackle stem. I like this also for dry flies sometimes. Gives a very nice colored body, and also you can see due to the grizzly hackle, so there is different colors in the hackle stem, which I really like too. Yeah, once you have done the body, I use my UV resin and give a very little layer over the body, because the trout teeth are sharp enough or tipped enough to destroy the body, and we want to avoid that. So we want to catch more than 1 or 2 trouts. So that's why I secure it with UV resin. Yeah, and here you can see it gives a very nice colored body, very natural colors here. So I just used natural so that it looks very nice. And yeah, the fishes like those natural colors normally, at least in the rivers I fish. Now you can adjust the hook to the right tying position as you normally have it. If I tie in the hook shank in, I like to probably give it a little more balanced fix. Yeah, so now you see me using the UV resin here to just secure the body. It's nothing more. It's I really like to secure it. Oh, if you take too much material like I did here, just remove it with your applicator and then cure the resin with your UV light. So then tie back your tying thread a little, because now you take the deer hair. So I take a bunch of fibers out of that, and then I remove the fur, which is sometimes in, and the not as long fibers I take off, and then I put it into a stacker. I use a cartridge And then I tie it in. So what you need to do is you need to tie in the tips to the direction of the hook tip and use the appropriate amount of fibers. Then I use the dubbing to build the front body. I like to use a hare's ear dubbing here, but anyway, you can use whatever you want, I think. And then when this is done, I pull them to the hook eye, do 2 very soft turns, and then I film. I film the loops. Yeah, and then give it a head knot and you're done. So this is the tying part done. And now once we have done that, yeah, I don't want to have the fibers standing up, so I pull them a little. So you can take out fibers you don't like to have here. You see me, and you can adjust the fibers where you want to have sitting them. I will use a dubbing brush to brush out a little bit the hair I tied in here. I like that. If it gets a little more fluffy, so to say. And then, yeah, if what you cannot pull out, you can use your scissors and cut it, as you see me doing here. And then I do a last layer of UV resin to the fibers I tied in here, so you can see that. It's also to secure them. They break pretty fast, so I like to secure with UV resin. It's a wonderful material. So just use not too much. Use it in thin, I think. It's enough. And then, yep, this is a wonderful fly. So thanks for watching my video. If you like them, if you want to see more, give me comments, likes, dislikes, whatever you want. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.